this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get a Dollar General app on iOS. Let's get started. First, launch your app store. Now in the search box, type in the app name Dollar General and search for it. Once app appears, click on it. Now you will find the option of Get or this kind of cloud icon. Click on that. If you're downloading the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to use your Apple ID's password or your Face ID. Once you complete that verification process, download will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of this download, you can launch it. Then you can provide your credentials or create a new account and use it. After signing in, you will be able to browse weekly ads, clip digital coupons, software products, manage your account, and access other available features right from your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. This is how you can easily get a Dollar General app on iOS. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.